Hi there, we've got quite a bit of news to cover with you on this Wednesday, February the 16th. I'm Stephanie. Let's take a walk around the penny. We start with some winners from today's trading activity. First up, Global Technologies Limited, symbol GTLL. What a day they had as the equity skyrocketed 160% on a heavy volume of 454 million shares. The company issued a press release stating they've filed financials with OTC markets. In the report, they declared assets of over $22 million and revenues over $6 million. Moving on to Elysium Internet, symbol EYSM. Today, the company issued a press release about their local business search engine website, thedirectory.com. Elysium stated they've already passed January's revenue total for the month of February. Though they did not provide any actual numbers regarding revenues, they expect revenue growth to be in the 25 to 50% range. Their stock seems to be moving in the right direction as they rallied 200% on over 530 million shares. Looks like traders were buying the news. The final winner of the day is Watchit Technology, symbol WTCT. They enjoyed a solid day, rising nearly 29% on over 90 million shares. Watchit issued their first quarter financials today, and they were able to reduce debt by over $80,000. Not only were they able to cut debt, but they also improved stockholder equity and reduced common shares. On to some of our losers. Neurobiotech Corporation, symbol MRES. The company issued a press release about Oric Pharma Science purchasing outstanding shares of MRES at 15 cents per share. That's a substantially higher percentage than the current price of 2 cents. Though promising, it looks like traders were selling the news as the equity dropped 7% on roughly 42 million shares. Another loser for the day is Plateau Mineral Development Incorporated, symbol PMDP. They issued a press release announcing $36 million in gross profits for a one-year refining contract. That's $3 million a month of pure profit. Traders didn't take well to the news as we saw this junior miner fall 50% on a thick volume of over 656 million shares. Our third and final loser of the day is Mammoth Energy Group, symbol MMTE. They ended the day slipping about 30% on nearly 233 million shares. We saw this alternative energy company as a winner on our Monday show. They had no news then and still no news today. However, on a slightly positive note, the equity has been on a pretty steady rise since the start of the year. A lot of chat room love for O2 Secure Wireless, symbol OTOW. After opening at 0.013, it had a high of 0.025 and a low of 0.012. It rallied 105% on over 27 million shares and closed at 0.0205. This comes after yesterday's news of an agreement with the city of Palm Coast, Florida. O2 entered a fiber broadband network agreement, bringing its services to about 38,000 homes. For the last 3 months, the stock has been at a consistent price of about 0.002. Today looks like a pretty big breakout. The ever-popular China Crescent Enterprises, symbol CCTR, was back in chat rooms today. The technology company is part of the New Market Greenfield Partnership. Tomorrow, New Market will present an investment strategy tutorial via webcam. The webcast will target both new and advanced OTC investors. Sounds good, but the stock didn't look too hot today. After opening at its high of 0.0012, it had a low of 0.0009. It fell 9% on over 138 million shares, closing at 0.001. Its 52-week low was actually yesterday when it closed at 0.001. Ouch. Our quote of the day comes courtesy of Dirty D, who said, "Do you want to play a game?" Well, Dirty D, as long as it's not spin the bottle or starting World War III. Let's wrap things up with our newsletter BS Radar. We saw 6 newsletters pumping Information Systems Associates, symbol IOSA. The software company hasn't had any news since January when it hired a new president. Newsletters swore that the company was a sure thing, but let's take a closer look. After opening at 19 cents, it rose over 26% on nearly 790,000 shares and closed just over 21 cents. Its 52-week high was in July when it closed at 30 cents. Its low was this Monday when it closed at 5 cents. It's jumping up quite a bit, but on no news and in a stream of newsletter pumps. Definitely sounds like BS. 3 newsletters pumped Davi Luxury Brand Group, symbol MDAV. The company develops luxury skincare products using antioxidants found in wine. Don't get too excited though, you can't drink it. This morning they appointed a new CFO, and apparently this made pumpers really excited. The stock opened at $1 and rallied just over 19% throughout the day, closing at $1.18. But its volume is only 219,000, and its current price is way down from January 18th when it closed at $2.60. Although we love a good wine lotion, we have to give this stock our BS trophy. No whining. Well, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to check out our homepage, simplypennies.com, for all your penny stock needs. You can also find us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. For Around the Penny, I'm Stephanie. Bye. Takes two to make things go right. Is that what you're saying?